Oh, actually, it's off to the side. Oh, Abby, go and reel it in. You got him. Set the hook. There you go, reel. Okay, be gentle with him. Be gentle. You got it. He's pushing off to the side. You can see him trying to pull the line off to the side. Okay, here he comes. Oh my goodness.
Okay, can you sing the song again? Well, it's a very good song. I think we're gonna get some fish with that song.
Yeah, so Lizzie decided to do at the last moment. She just jumped in the slide while Dad was pulling.
We're snow, but we got some grass trim. And it's slippery, girls. You kind of need ice skates, don't you, Lizzie? Do you want to ride in the sled? You can ride in the sled if you want. Ice fishing ice skate trick. I like it. Let's go ahead and test it out. Let's go over to this snowy patch. That way we actually have some grip. Careful. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Ice skate. Lizzie's been wanting to go ice skating all year. Yep, minus the blades. Okay, here's our spot right here. It's not too slippery, not too close to the thin ice. We'll drill some holes and test it out.
I like this one better.
We'll see how thick.
Real quick. We've got 5 inches. We're more than safe. All right, we're at 6 inches of ice.
That's plenty.
Awesome. This isn't as cold as it was last time. Yay, Lizzie!
That's okay, Dad, you'll finish it. You did so good, you got it started. Okay, go ahead and stand over by Abby. Alright.
Okay, Dad, could I drill the next one?
You want to do this one?
Yeah.
That's good, you're doing great. Lizzie, don't step in the holes, remember? You're doing good, sweetie.
How do you do this?
Here, I'll trade you.
Okay. That's awesome. Last time we were,
We have the whole pond to ourselves.
yeah, last time there were a lot of people.
We're right over there, but it's not worth risking the thin ice.
Yep. We'll stay over here where it's nice and thick.
I'd rather not catch fish than see someone go in the drink. Pink sky's all gone?
Yeah.
Oh my
this
goodness.
morning the clouds are purple.
Yeah, it was really pretty, wasn't it?
Plus a pearl insert Swedish pimple. It's got the little red flutter blade. This one just has a regular hook and a split shot. We're just gonna go for our tied and tested salmon eggs and Uncle Josh's on that one. We got a gold cast master over there. We'll probably tip it with salmon eggs, or we got these worms. They're not mealworms. They're butter worms. Hopefully it tastes as good as butter to the fish. We'll see.
Can I have my chips?
In just a minute, sweetheart. Over there we just have a hook and split shot, and it's got the tip on the end that we're going to use for our snap trap, see if it works. And over there we got another Swedish pimple, but it's gold and has a yellow flutter blade. I will tip this over too. So we'll get these in the water and see what we catch.
Awesome.
Okay. This is our secret weapon for trout on some of these ponds. You just take a single hook. You notice there's a little twist to it. That allows it to set a little easier. Take some green ball of fire, well, green label ball of fire salmon eggs. For some reason, they're the ones my dad taught me to use, and they've always worked. Apparently, they get a little frozen though.
Yeah, that happens sometimes.
Yeah, try to get the squishiest ones possible here. Okay, there's some salmon eggs right there. And then we take a tiny bit of Uncle Josh's. It's an anise smell or something like that. It smells like licorice. Take a tiny, I'm talking like pea-sized bit of that. And then you wrap it around the shank of the hook. And you kind of form it around. And it almost makes a jig, like a bug-eyed jig. You need some water? Sounds good. We'll give you some water right here. And then a little drop of trout attractant on it. And that'll work for Lizzie. Feel the soil ice, please.
It's actually
okay. So we'll actually move that out of the way just a little bit. Drop that down. Down it goes. Okay. Now, Lizzie, we're going to do something really special with your pole, okay? I'm going to sit that right there. Let's not touch it just for a minute. I'm going to go grab something special. Our little contraption that we made. Emphasis on trap. Okay. So, if this works as planned, and as I tested it out at home, we hook it on there.
You tested this out?
Yeah, I'll show you the video of it. I actually tried it at home and it worked really well. I'm surprised how well it worked actually. Okay, this slides on to the back. That knot kind of holds it in place. This slides over and pushes that knot toward the eye hook. Move that out of the way. This comes up. Oh wait, I forgot this needs to go under. Under. There we go.
Sorry.
That's okay. Now we're going to center this because once we get it set, we're not going to want to move it. Okay, girls, be very careful. And now we'll reel this in just a little bit, just so it's off the bottom. And then we set it right here. And if a fish comes and tugs on that line, it'll push on this little arm right here. And when it pushes it down, it'll push this paddle down, snap the trap, and this thing will come up and set the hook for us. So Lizzie, you don't even have to touch your fishing pole. You can just watch it. And then it goes boing, then you grab it and reel in your fishy. How's that sound? Sound good?
Good.
Awesome. So we'll leave it right there. Make sure not to trip on it or touch it, okay?
I didn't. See?
Yep. You didn't step in a hole, huh?
I didn't step in Kimmy's hole, or my hole, or Daddy's hole, or Abby's hole, or that hole.
Good job. Oh my goodness, it is a twisty chair. Careful, you'll bore a hole in the ice. No, I'm totally joking. You won't. That's awesome. We should just put one hole, in each direction, and 4 poles you can just swivel. Yeah. Abby, you've got the right idea of fishing, sweetheart. I love this. Hey, Liz, you making ice circles? Right on. That's so cool. Oh, look at that, look at that. I saw a tug. Oh, I swear I saw a tug. Come back and get it. Okay, stand back just a little bit, Lizzie. Oh, I swear I saw a tug.
Come and get it. Okay.
You weren't kidding, Kaylee. We tell stories and all of a sudden the pool start dancing. Oh my heavens. Snapped! It snapped. Can you let her reel it in? Here, I'll move this out of the way. Good thing you know that floats. Good job, Lizzie. Reel. You're doing so good. It snapped. Let's see. Is it a fishy? Oh no, that's okay. Go ahead and stop, Lizzie. Good try, sweetheart. Oh, actually, it's off to the side. Oh, Abby, go and reel it in. You got him. Set the hook. There you go, reel. Okay, be gentle with him. Be gentle. You got it. He's pushing off to the side. You can see him trying to pull the line up. Didn't fall in the hole, but just like in the sled bed, huh? Lizzie, are you still having fun?